Hey folks, Christian Munn here. I know it's been a long time since you've heard from me, but I haven't been idle. I've been working on something that I'm finally ready to share, and I promise you, it's worth the wait. Welcome back to Worldsmith Publishing. Today, I'm finally pulling back the curtain to show you what I've been building. Years ago, I started a tabletop role-playing game campaign with my friends, but it wasn't D&D. The usual mechanics never really did it for me, and I wanted a world of my own. I chose a system that excited me, one where characters blocked incoming attacks rather than just hoping their armor class was high enough. That felt like a real fight, not something generic. But even then, we kept hitting the same wall. Combat started off epic, but soon turned into a waiting game. Watching others take their turns, recapping what happened, suddenly the energy vanished. To top that off, the magic system was just a list of spells, lacking any creativity or depth. Honestly, it couldn't compare to the magic that I'd created for my novels. So, I faced a choice. I could keep patching a system that would never really be enough, or I could build something new from scratch, despite the amount of work it would be. My friends and I decided to pursue the latter. What you see in Spellsword now hardly resembles where it began. It's bigger, sharper, and far more ambitious than I certainly ever imagined. Here's what makes Spellsword different. Combat is simultaneous and cinematic. There's no more waiting for your turn. Every strike, every parry, every hit location matters. Your decisions carry real weight, and the wrong move has real consequences. In Spellsword, magic is yours to shape. With runes as your building blocks, you get to craft spells limited only by your imagination. Blazing fireballs, freezing your enemies midair, bending lightning to your will. No lists, no restrictions, just creativity. That freedom and tactical depth mean your stories unfold as they should, emergent, personal, and genuinely unforgettable. Now, is there a learning curve? Absolutely, and I would never pretend otherwise. But I've built tutorials and quick starts to help get you up and running fast. Our companion app's in the works, and it's going to set a new bar for gaming aids. Spellsword isn't a game that you buy, put on your shelf, and forget. It's a living system that will keep updating and evolving in real time. We've been at this for 5 years behind the scenes. Why would we stop now when you're finally here to see us? If you want to follow along, subscribe to Worldsmith Publishing so you don't miss the insights, stories, and behind-the-scenes looks as Spellsword comes to life. If you're a bit more curious and want to get a little bit deeper, you can check out my Quickstart challenge. The first part's done, a tightly recorded, to-the-point series of short micro-tutorials that get you up to speed on the very basics in 30 minutes. The second part is under construction, and when it's ready, you'll be able to test your tabletop gaming skills in a lethal 3-stage challenge scenario using pre-made characters. Soon, I'll also have in-depth Explore Spellsword pages that will go in deep on Spellsword's most exciting features and show you why they matter to you. But if you're really interested, there's no need to wait. You can join the beta right now. The link to our website's in the description. By joining the beta, you'll get instant early access to Spellsword, be able to play test new modules and mechanics, and directly shape the final game through feedback and group discussions. I need testers at every experience level, so don't count yourself or your crew out. A fresh pair of eyes might be exactly what makes Spellsword truly great. As we build this together, I want you to be a real part of the journey. Not just a player, but a voice. Connect with other passionate players in our Discord. Join the live Q&A sessions that we'll be hosting so that you can ask questions and help shape what comes next. This is the start of something new, something special. Jump in and let's build something worth remembering together. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to hear about your adventures.